Hi, I'm Rishi Sanyal, science editor over at DP Review, and we're here in Las Vegas today to witness Sony's launch of the A7 Mark III. The A7 Mark III is being billed as Sony's basic model, but they're also saying that it raises expectations generally. This basic model, which will be priced at about $2,000 USD, offers a lot of the features that the really high-end A9 offers, which is at a much higher price point. This has got a 24 megapixel backside illuminated sensor. It's not the stacked sensor in the A9, but it still has a lot of the capabilities of the A9. It doesn't have 20 frames per second shooting. It maxes out at 10 FPS, but it does offer silent shooting at that frame rate. That 10 FPS shooting rate is also available with a mechanical shutter, which is actually better than the A9 and like the A7R Mark III. A lot of the features have been updated. IAF is actually just as good, as we can tell, as the A7R Mark III. It's just very sticky to the subject that you've chosen. The video mode in 4K is actually oversampled from 6K footage, and the 30p 4K mode is oversampled from 5K footage with a 1.2x crop factor. Now, what's great about this model is you actually get that oversampled 6K to 4K footage with log modes, which is actually not available on the A9. This is a camera that should offer a lot of the incredible features that the A9 offers, but at the price point that makes it much more affordable for wedding event photographers, casual owners who want to step up to full frame quality, but don't need quite all the features that the A9 offers, yet still get some of the amazing features that this very capable model should get you. This is Rishi from DP Review, and for all things photography related, visit us at www.dpreview.com. Thanks for joining us.